Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today it's me, Mikey again, and oh my gosh. Today, I'm gonna do like a role play. Yes, it's like Amber's birthday. Like some kind of Amber's birthday. So this is gonna be a role play and your family, like that. Wait. Oh my god. Stop. It made me think of it. Yes. Okay. Now we're literally loading right now. Okay, I'm just gonna stop and fix something. Oh my gosh, guys! My game just glitched, and I literally knew that I had a house. Like literally, I had a house. Like I was shocked. It resetted. So annoying. I hope my character didn't reset it, cause like I have so much to do. Like I hope it didn't. Oh, finally it didn't. Wait, man, it reset the little baby. Uh, okay, now I'm just gonna like do something else. Like I'm just gonna give you the house tour. There's nothing. Yes, I just said house tour. And you're gonna watch me like nothing. Just like do something more. Wait. Oh my gosh. There's no sound now. So I'm gonna build. You're gonna see me build. So first we literally need things like that. Because we first need things and everything. I think I want white, but I'm not sure if I want white, because so much whitish. I'm sorry for that. Oh my gosh. Oh my. I don't know what to choose, but I'm just gonna choose this. It's very aesthetic. I love aesthetic things. Okay, I should do the brown little table. Brown little table right here. And the chair would be like some like this, because it's more nice, I guess. And I forgot. What did I do again? Oh yeah, first I did something very cool. I just saw some random TikTok thingy, and I I had to do it. It turned out pretty good. It was like, oh, I was like, wow, this is more beautiful than the other things I made for my little houses. And that's what I think. So I'm out here. Moved in another like known things, And I did kind of some bamboos because it's so pretty. Like look at that. It's like entering you. There's like an entrance. There you go, like entrance. I should wanted this. This is my real favorite picture. Because it's so cute and it's very aesthetic. Yes. Very cute. No. We need to put this right up there. I hope it's beautiful enough. Yes. Oh my god. It's not. My gosh, kailangan kong pantayin. I'm just gonna like leave it like that. But yeah, I forgot this. But yeah, I don't want to like put a carpet because it's like going in the floor. Like that's fine. That's fine. It's a big deal. And I'm not gonna put some lights right here because I'm gonna do a water fountain, little water fountain, because it's so cute. And we put a water fountain. Let me turn it to night first, and then there. Because I really love the water fountain. It's like welcoming you home like that. And this rug, I can just stop thinking about it. It's so beautiful. It's very plain because all my other things, I don't like this blue one and this. I just want like plain ones. And now I'm done for the computer room or study room. Yeah, it's a study room. Now I'm gonna do the. I should like do this. It's more prettier. There. Okay. I've got to do like both of these kind of chairs. When it resetted it was still beautiful when it wasn't resetting. Reset it yet. Yeah. Oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. There's too much chairs, but I don't care. These kind of things for the feet. Not chair. Feet chair. Okay, this one, these kind of things on a chair, these are just for fets. My gosh, wait.